I'm about to share with you 5 video strategies for Facebook retargeting ads. So in this video, we're going to cover the 5 different videos that you need to be using for your product or service brand as a retargeting ad on Facebook or Instagram. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Now, before I jump into video strategy number 1, I've got to tell you about this 100% free course that I've created called the Free Boss Lifestyle course. In this course, you're going to learn about how to build messenger bots, how to build Facebook ads, how to build sales funnels, how to write sales copy, and how to write content like blogs and copy for emails and social media. So I have a lot of information inside this 100% free course. To get access to it, all you got to do is go to freebosslifestyle.com. It's got a lot of information in there about marketing products and services online, how to get leads, and you definitely got to check it out. It's 100% free. Did I mention it was free? Because it's free. All right, so now let's go ahead and jump into video strategy number 1. Retargeting strategy number 1 talks about customer testimonial videos. So first you got to get customers, right? You want this to be authentic. You want this to be real. You don't want to just pay random people to just talk about your product. I know that sometimes that has to be done, but if you can get real customers or your buddies to talk on your behalf and talk about the results that they've gotten with your product or service, that's what I'd recommend that you do. So you can just tell Sally, your customer, hey Sally, can you create a video for me? Chances are Sally is not going to get around to doing that. She's going to tell you yes, but you're going to have to do a lot of nudging and following up, and then Sally may ultimately never create that video for you because people don't like to be on camera. They get nervous and they're self-conscious and all that kind of stuff. So what I would recommend to you is to interview them on either Zoom or Skype, a video conference platform, right? Get them on camera. Get them to give you permission to actually use the video that you record there. Tell them that you're going to use it for marketing purposes on your website and Facebook ads, things like that. Make sure that they're on board and okay with that. Get their approval on camera and on video, and then ask them all different types of questions about their experience with your product, with your service. What was the first touch point? Like, what were they thinking during that whole process? Were they debating between different products? Why were they on the fence? What was the eventual thing that got them over the fence? Like maybe it was a social proof video that they saw, or maybe it was a discount that they acted on. Like what was that thing that tipped them over into becoming a customer? Get all of that in a long video and then edit that video down into little chunks and use those little 30-second to a minute and a half clips as your retargeting ads. These are very, very powerful because it increases the trust that potential customers have for your brand. If they're seeing multiple people, like 5 to 10 different people show up in their newsfeed talking about your product or service and why it helped them, how it helped them, what kind of results they found with your product or service, that's going to massively build that trust and credibility with that potential customer, as well as get them off the fence. It encourages them to actually complete their purchase because they may have looked at your products, they may have added 1 or 2 to their shopping cart, they may have really been thinking, should I move forward with this purchase, but they just didn't. So when you have these kind of social proof videos, it really helps them to go ahead and get that trust to be like, all right, let me just try this out. Worst case, I got the refund. I can always, send it back and get my money back if you even allow that, right? But this is a really powerful way to get that trust, credibility, and by hitting them with multiple videos over a period of time, that's how you build that familiarity with them. Facebook retargeting strategy number 2. So this is product unboxing videos. So how do you set these up? Well, you ask happy customers or someone on your team to go ahead and film themselves opening up whatever package they're going to get in the mail, right? If you're a physical products company and you're shipping them products, then that's really, how you show them. If it comes in a box, right? If you're a service company, you probably won't be able to use an unboxing video. It's kind of hard to unbox a service. You want to get it on camera, the whole experience of what exactly they're going to receive in the mail. So you have, maybe a camera up top, it's mounted down and it's seeing, opening up the box, seeing the little box inside the box, and then unwrapping that, showing the instruction manual, showing all what's included, the little cable, all that kind of stuff. And what this is going to do is going to, again, build that trust, credibility, and familiarity. And it's going to give them an idea, a really great understanding of what exactly they are getting when they make that purchase. It's going to eliminate all the worries, and it's going to actually allow them to feel that little bit of excitement to look forward to when they make their own purchase. So them seeing the box being unraveled and seeing the product there, they kind of feel a very minor, it may even be subliminal, of the excitement of like getting it themselves, right? So it may just push them to making that purchase as well. Retargeting strategy number 3. This is the product demo time-lapse videos. Now, it doesn't have to be time-lapse. You can do both. You can do a long-form video where it's really showing all the different ways that you can use this product, really hitting on the benefits that this product brings or the service brings, right? And then the time-lapse part is just quicker. So you would just take the whole thing and just quickly speed it up, showing the whole thing. So an example of this is I've been seeing a lot of these mattresses. I feel like it's maybe reduced now, but there was a time like a year ago or something where there was all these mattress companies that were shipping mattresses to people, and there was so many of these time-lapse videos of these people receiving a box at their front door, dragging the box in, opening up the box, opening up the plastic that the mattress was in. They roll out the mattress, and the mattress like rises, and it, the foam expands, and then they jump on the mattress. And so all of that would have been time-lapsed and sped up, and I just saw it all over my news feed. I wasn't even trying to buy a mattress. I don't know how they got to targeting me as a mattress buyer. I got plenty of mattresses. I don't need mattresses. So anyway, that's an example of a time-lapse product demo. So these are really, really powerful. They work really, really well. If your product or service is the kind that they can physically use and they can really see great excitement and results and things like that, then it's going to be even better. So I highly recommend that you have some kind of product unboxing or product demonstration video. And you can even combine the two, unboxing and demonstration, into one amazing video showing them unboxing it and then using it, and it's pretty powerful. Retargeting strategy number 4, spontaneous selfie style videos. Now, these are really crucial because the whole point of retargeting is to have a large variety of different ads. You don't want to just keep retargeting somebody over and over and over with that same video or that same image, because it just gets boring and they actually end up just getting annoyed of the entire ad. So you want to have a large variety. I like to have 10 to 20 completely different ads, creative and copy, videos, images, things like that, to be able to cycle people through, and that really builds the familiarity. So having spontaneous selfie style videos where you just jump on the camera and maybe you just say, here are 3 tips to doing XYZ with our product. Here are 3 benefits that you can do right now that you can have, or here are 3 features that our product. So they're just spontaneous little quick clips of videos that you can shoot with your cell phone, or you can shoot with a high-res camera, or you can jump on Facebook Live or Instagram Stories or Instagram Live and things like that. And you can talk about your product or service, maybe talk about a story that somebody had, a success story of one of your customers, things like that. It's just a quick piece of content, and it just acts as a touch point. It's just reminding them that your product or service is out there, reminding them that it's a solution to the problem that they have, and it just furthers and pushes them along in the overall customer journey. Facebook Live is a really cool way to do this retargeting, because what I like to do is run a Facebook Live video as an ad, and then it actually says at the top of the ad, Johnny Smith was live. So you use existing post, run that Facebook Live video as an ad, and it looks more organic. It doesn't look like a typical ad because it says was live. So it does kind of trick people into thinking it's just organic content and it's not an actual ad. This is pretty cool to, again, add to that variety of showing was live, is showing square videos, showing tall videos. Maybe you run it as, initially you shoot the video as like a story, right? An Instagram story, Facebook story, something like that. And then you save it to your phone, and then you run that tall video as an actual ad, and it's just a different, dimension, and so it just adds to that variety and stuff like that. Retargeting strategy number 5, number 5, case study videos. Now, I am a huge fan of these type of videos because I run an agency. We do a lot of internet marketing services, Facebook ads, messenger bot build outs, content creation, all that kind of stuff. If you want to learn more about our agency and hire us, then go to evolvemedia.agency. But I am constantly recording and creating these case study videos showing the kind of results that we are getting for our clients, because what better way to prove to people that we are able to deliver them results by showing them a case study of, here, this is what we did for client A, here's what we did for client B, here's what we did giveaway campaigns for all these different clients, and here's all of their results. So it is a really, really great way to get potential clients, potential customers excited about your product or service, because they see success stories, they see case studies, they see these results that other people are having with hiring your company, and they want to participate in those results, right? So these are really, really powerful. I highly recommend having multiple case study videos, especially if you're offering multiple products and multiple services. So how do you set them up? Well, you shoot a video with your cell phone or a screen share type of video. It could even be a hybrid of the both. Right now I'm shooting this video with a camera and I have a screen share type of thing going on with the computer. So there's one way that you can do it. You can also use Facebook Live and Instagram Live as a way to detail the data and the results that you got, that your customers got with your product or service, or that you got for your customers, just depending on what kind of business that you have. And then you want to run that as an ad. What I would also recommend is having long form and short form versions of these different case studies, because people these days, man, they just don't have the attention span like they did back in the day. So you got to keep things engaging, keep it short, keep it to the point, and keep it incredibly awesome. So why do these work? Well, you're proving that you literally help them. You are literally showing them the results. And that is a great way to build trust, credibility, familiarity, because it's acting as another touch point. So you are just showing them that you deliver results. You have products and services that actually work for people. So it really just gets those people that were on the fence to go ahead and jump off the fence and become a customer, to go ahead and book that call with you. And let's say that you're pitching them a service, right? When they book that call with you and they've seen case studies, when you go ahead and bring up that case study, then they're going to already know the details of that case study, right? So this happens to me a lot. I'll have videos out there of case studies, and then people that book calls with me will have already seen that case study video. They're not going to tell me necessarily that they saw that video, but they will have just seen it. And then when I talk about it on the phone with them, they're like, oh yeah, I saw that. And they're super excited about it. So it's a lot easier to close deals and to get more customers when you can prove your results and prove the value, prove the worth of your products and services. All right, so those are the 5 retargeting strategies that I have put together for you. Now, if you haven't yet gotten access to the 100% free course, the Free Boss Lifestyle course, then now is the time to do so. Go to freebosslifestyle.com. 100% free course. It's going to teach you how to run Facebook ads, how to build out messenger bots in the program ManyChat. It's going to teach you how to tweak templates. If you want to purchase any ManyChat templates from us, it's going to show you how to make changes to those templates, how to change up the copy, all that kind of stuff with Facebook ads, with messenger bots, with ClickFunnels, landing pages, with creating content, copy, all that kind of stuff. Head over to freebosslifestyle.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to hit that like button and leave a comment for me below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.